If you want to animate an image with Leonardo AI, this is the easiest way to turn a still picture into a moving video using just a few simple settings. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to upload your image, choose the right motion model, adjust the camera movement, and export your final animation as an MP4. By the end, you'll know how to create smooth image animations that look professional and are ready to share. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Leonardo AI and go to the video option on the homepage. This is where all of the image to video tools are located, so make sure you're in the right section before you start. Once you're there, look for the picture icon. Click that icon to upload your starting frame image. This is the image Leonardo AI will use as the base for your animation, so choose a clear picture with a subject, background, or scene that can benefit from motion. After your image is uploaded, the next step is selecting the animation model. You'll usually have a couple of options depending on the style of movement you want. If you want simple camera movement, choose Motion 2.0. This is great for subtle cinematic effects like pushing in, sliding across a scene, or adding gentle motion to a still image. If you want more advanced or complex animation, use Kling 2.5 or Kling 2.6. These are better when you want richer motion, more dynamic visuals, or a more animated final result. Now, once you've selected the model, you can adjust the motion controls. This is where the video starts to come alive. Depending on the effect you want, you can use Dolly, Pan, Zoom, or Tilt. Dolly is ideal when you want the camera to move forward or backward. Pan moves the camera sideways across the image. Zoom brings the viewer closer to the subject or pulls them back. Tilt shifts the camera up or down. These controls are especially useful if you want the movement to feel cinematic rather than just random. If you want even more control, you can also adjust the motion amount. A lower motion setting gives you a calmer, more realistic result, while a higher motion setting creates stronger movement. The key is to match the motion to the image. For example, a portrait may look better with a gentle zoom or dolly, while a landscape might look amazing with a slow pan or tilt. Next, you'll see the prompt bar. This part is optional, but it can help guide the animation if you want more than just camera movement. You can type a motion prompt to describe what you want the image to do. For example, you might add details about wind, blinking, flowing motion, or environmental movement. If you only want camera movement, you can leave the prompt bar empty. That's completely fine, especially if your goal is a clean and simple animated image. Before generating, take a moment to confirm the aspect ratio. This is important because the final output should match the platform where you plan to use it. For example, a square format works well for some social platforms, while vertical or widescreen may be better for others. Double-checking this now saves you from having to re-export later. You should also check the token cost before you generate. Leonardo AI will show how many tokens the animation uses, so make sure you have enough available. This helps you avoid surprises and lets you plan your projects more efficiently, especially if you're testing different animation styles. Once everything looks good, click Generate. Leonardo AI will process your image and create the animated version based on the motion settings, prompt, and aspect ratio you selected. Depending on the complexity of the animation, this may take a little time, so just wait for the preview to finish loading. When the preview appears, watch it carefully. This is your chance to see whether the motion feels natural and whether the camera movement matches the image. If something feels off, you can go back and adjust the motion settings, switch between Motion 2.0 and Kling, or refine the prompt. Small changes can make a big difference in the final result. Once you're happy with the preview, download the video as an MP4. That gives you a ready-to-use animated file that you can upload to social media, add to a presentation, or use in your content workflow. And just like that, you've turned a static image into a moving video with Leonardo AI. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more simple AI workflow videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.